Welcome back everyone. So how you can use live wallpaper in your Windows 11 system. So how you can do that, okay? So first open the store, Microsoft Store, and when you open the Microsoft Store, search here live wallpaper, okay? Live Lively Wallpaper, okay? So we need this tool, okay? Lively Wallpaper. I have already installed this tool, so I'll just open it. If you don't have installed, just click on install and open it. When you open the tool, you can see this kind of interface, okay? So this kind of interface, you can select any live wallpaper as you wish. Also you can add the wallpaper from here, okay? You can add the wallpaper or add the YouTube link, the wallpaper or video, okay? You can add the YouTube link here and click ok. When you click ok, you can use that video or wallpapers image to as a wallpaper, okay? And also you can select any customized image and any live image from here, and it will work as a live wallpaper. I'll show you that, like select this one, okay? Let's see. Okay, unexpected error occurs. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.